This one right here gets my water hose snagged, if you can get it. Did you get that one that was sticking up right here?
Huh?
Did you get that one that was sticking up right here?
I got that for you.
Okay, I'm always afraid Lakeley's gonna fall on it. Can you see it? Okay, thank you. Do you need me to come pick those sticks up? The porch don't have the pole on it. It looks so big.
I thought she was taking that pole.
No, she bought a blow up one. But man, it feels nice having all this space. So a couple of days later, because when did he do that, on Monday and it's Friday or Tuesday? I've filmed it forever. I felt like crap. Flash wants to say hello. You already had a treat. You already had one. Okay, at Dick's, Allison got a white tank top with a built-in bra. It's just the Dick's brand. I got Lakeley 4 pair of Nike shorts, pink, purple, or lavender, black, and peachy orange. I'm thinking they might be too big for her, but she can wear them next year. They are. It's no big deal. Got her this little Moana romper, but it's got this little stuff on it, and she's gonna think she is like queen bee in that. And I got her just like a little basic tank top with these little shorts from Walmart. Also got her some pajamas. I like to have pajamas around just in case it's late and she has a bath, then I'll have something to put on her. I got her these just to wear like potty train, you know, got her some panties, or sometimes even for the pool, like if I'm not filming, we'll put a t-shirt and that on her or whatever. But got some water, got some sheets that's already in the washer. We are sick. What is wrong with us? The world may never know. Scout, you wanna go get a drink? I don't know either. Heather fostered this one. This is Scout and Scarlet. Scout and Scarlet. We're Scarlet. Scout's playing with her on tail. Back to the haul. Okay, I got a humidifier, warm mist humidifier. Also got some vapor steam, all needed deodorant, and cough drops because he coughed his head off all night long. Did you hear him, Kennedy? It was bad, wasn't it? I've never heard him cough like that. Girl stuff, mega stuff, Oreos. I got lemon and sweet orange essential oils. I like to just drop that down my sink or trash cans, whatever. Vacuum cleaner filter. Got 3 blocks of mozzarella cheese because we have all kinds of crust we need to use up for pizza. I got the new summer edition Red Bull, and it tastes just like a mellow yellow. Yeah. Tastes just like a mellow yellow. I got this, and I don't even know what scent it is because I didn't have my glasses and I could not see. So we're gonna figure it out right now. What does that say? Warm spring sunshine. Warm spring sunshine it is. Gummy worms, cross stitch thread, got some flea medicine, tomato paste to make our own tomato or our own pizza sauce. Lexi loves it. Did you hear her last night? She was like, how'd you make that? What's the recipe? What's the recipe? I was like, I'll send it to you. Then Allison likes this pizza sauce, and it's really good too. I got Flash some snacks. got Lexi's and Allie's bird some strawberry seeds, treats, whatever. They love those. She said they like devour those as soon as she puts them in there. Yeah. And did I get everything? Because last time I gave y'all a haul, I skipped like all of the middle stuff. So yeah. Oh, the rug. I also got this rug on clearance. And I think it's so pretty. It was at Walmart on clearance for $15. Rugs are expensive. I looked at Lowe's and I walked out. Like there was one on clearance for $83. And I thought this one was just little. But it's not. It's like a runner. But I'm going to put this, it's got a rubber back. So I'm going to put this in front of my kitchen sink because Lakely will help do the dishes. And she gets water on the floor and I'd rather it be on the rug than on my hardwood. So just kind of protects that. On to what Heather bought today. Scout, what he's doing? Do you want to say hello? Hi, friends. This is little Scout. He or she is so adorable, isn't she, Heather? Like, this is probably the most attached to a cat I've gotten yet. She will lay on her back and sleep like a baby, and she's so cuddly, ain't you? But it don't. Okay, she got some chicken nuggets. One apple. No, it's an onion. She got an onion. Hot dogs. Hot dogs for Memorial Day. I'm assuming you didn't buy that ball. Nothing. Mushrooms, hamburger meat or beef, sliced cheese. We're gonna make Salisbury steak. Lakely got some Popsies. She loves ice cream or popsicles. So Heather is always buying her stuff like that. Got some yeast rolls. And if you have a Food City around, these are better than the Sister Schubert. Is that what it's called? Yeah. So we got that to go with our this, and why is the bag so clingy? And this. So beef broth, the beefy onion, brown gravy, mushrooms, and you fry like just, what's it called when you brown one side? Sear. So you just sear those, and then you put them in a crock pot, and they cook. They're so good with an onion and rolls. And we've got potatoes for mashed potatoes. And we got two of these at Ingles, and that's all. Got a messy kitchen, messy house, messy life. Not done nothing. That rug in there is covering the most disgusting sticky stuff on that table I ever seen. I just laid the rug over it. I was like, I ain't even cleaning it. Okay, I want to put the rug down low, but I want to clean these floors first. Did you clean these floors last night? Yeah. Or just this one spot that needed it?
I mean, I didn't from...
Okay. Well, I'll do it. She got some ice creams. And, yeah, just take a little look. We got a mess. It's only going to get... yeah, Allison made the volleyball team. So proud of her. Kennedy made the softball team again next year. What are you going to have operated on next year? I know. Maybe you can play ball next year. But, okay. On this night, we were gonna have Salisbury steak. I showed you guys what went in that, and I've actually cooked that like on film before for y'all, so I didn't really go into detail, but I was throwing all of that together and putting it in the crock pot. So I feel like it's been a while since I posted, probably a week, but we have been so sick, and it's mainly been Alden and I. But this morning Heather said that when she woke up she felt bad, so I don't know if she's coming down with it too. Started out feeling like a sinus infection, but it just got really bad, and it made my body feel really bad. I would just get up and walk a little ways. I would feel like I was gonna pass out just doing little things. So today is Memorial Day, and I woke up, still got some stuff going on, but as far as my body, I feel better. So thankful for that. We got a lot going on. I've got a lot of stress going right now, so maybe that's not helping things either. I'm not sure, but anyway, we throw together some supper, and sometimes you just gotta let the house go. I've not really worried about it. The kids did clean this morning. When I came out of my bedroom this morning, the house was clean, and I appreciate that so much. It's just such a big help when everybody jumps in and does it. It doesn't take 5 minutes, really, per room, if everybody will just jump in and do something. So I'm so thankful for the help that I have. Thankful that I woke up feeling better because my body was just tired and run down, and I am feeling a lot better. I may not sound like I do, but I do. But in a few minutes, we're going to jump to Allison's room. She is going to declutter so many clothes. The girl thrifts so much. She's got so much Aerie, so much like Lululemon and things like that for like really cheap. So I told her, I said, listen, you have brought in so many things into this house. You've got to get rid of some things. So she did. She went through and she got rid of a lot. So if it was like really, really good things, then she did sell some of that. But other than that, we just donated it to Carm because they do feed the homeless, and that makes me feel better about, just donating like really good things, So glad that it blesses someone else for cheap, and it also feeds the homeless in the process.
I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her. So I'm happy.
Is it good?
So now can I stand off Lexi?
Got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
Allison knew that I had not filmed a lot and that I not felt good, so she was going to go through her closet, and she said, can I film this for you? And I said, sure, if you want to film, that's fine. So she did that. I appreciate that because that helped me out. But she asked me if she could take everything down, like off hangers, and just start fresh. And I said, you do it how it works for you. Different people can do it different ways. I wouldn't have. I would have just went through like the clothes and got what I didn't want out. But this is how she wanted to do it. So that's what worked for her. That's what got her motivated and the way she wanted to do it. So that was fine with me. But she did get rid of so many things. And I think Lexi did go through this, and if she wanted something, of course, she could take it home with her, but we had bags of clothes that we donated. She does realize that she has a lot more than what she needed, so she wanted to get rid of some things. She wanted to bless some other people with it. I was like, girl, that's fine because you're busting at the seams. She has probably, I'm not even kidding, the girl probably has 20 bathing suits, and I was like, Allison, you've got bathing suits, you've got clothes, you've got things that you do not wear, and I know you don't wear it. So if you don't want it, just get rid of it. I don't care what we paid for it. It's just taking up space. If you're not going to wear it, you're not going to wear it. So anyway, she got rid of a lot of things. And you'll see in a minute all of the clothes hangers. Oh my gosh, it was crazy. But she did go through, and what she kept, she put back on hangers, and then, organize the rest of them. It does look so much better. I know it has to feel so much better for her not to be so overwhelmed by all the clothes too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I have been filming today, so I'll have another video up really soon for you guys. I'm excited to just be able to get up and be filming and to feel normal again somewhat. Like on a normal day, you think, gosh, I wish I could just lay on the couch all day long and do nothing. But when you have to lay on the couch all day long and do nothing because you can't, you think of all the things you need to be up doing. And that's the way I've been the last week. I've been thinking, oh my gosh, I need to do this and this and this, and film and edit and post and all these things. And yeah, it does make you very grateful for your health and the ability to be able to stand up and do those things. And I'm thankful that I'm feeling better. And even though it was just a sinus infection, so thankful for my health. But I hope you guys have a blessed Memorial Day. I hope you guys take it easy and just have some downtime and not think about all the things you need to be doing, because sometimes it is nice to have a break. But I love you. Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys really soon.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Maybe when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Here in the waiting, wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a home for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me, make the broken things new. Yeah, I'm the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah, I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Keep my windows open, I hear the cries of the